Hey guys, Infidel 1258 here. I want to do a video today talking about stock markets again, silver and Bitcoin, and a couple interesting side notes specifically about cloud storage and alternatives that are decentralized and that are going to change and revolutionize that market. So today we're seeing the major indices battling back and gaining some pretty significant ground, S&P, Dow, but I think it's largely on the backs of Amazon, Google, FAANG just doing really well, Netflix, and so why are they doing really well? And you look at Google and you look at Amazon in particular. Both of them have cloud storage options, a cloud storage product that is a growing and significant component of their revenue stream. And Google in particular, that was a major contributing factor to their recent profitability that was released in their earnings report this week. So that's a big part, cloud storage, and they're a big part of the overall stock market indices and how well they thrive. So how sustainable is that component of their productivity and of their revenue streams? Well, SIA is a decentralized cryptocurrency blockchain project that is operating currently, that uses decentralized computing power and decentralized storage systems like your computer system and my computer system through a blockchain enabled network to store remotely people's data. So you can cloud store through the blockchain on SIA. I own some SIA, but I own like $50 worth of SIA, so this is not me trying to shill something to boast my own investments. It's really not a big part of my investment platform, but it's an interesting project and it has utility and it's functional today. You can go check it out and download the blockchain, and you can actually utilize your computing, your hard drive, your spare hard drive space to store other people's data and earn these tokens and then liquidate them, sell them for money if you want. So there's SIA, and then there's Storj, STORJ, another alternative for the exact same thing. And there's others. So my point is this: there are decentralized alternatives to Google Cloud and Amazon Cloud storage alternatives that are cheaper, that are equally successful in what they offer. Meaning like decentralized storage of your photos, videos, documents, etc. And to boot, these decentralized alternatives enable a more competitive price rate because it's a market across individuals. There's more individuals that can sell their individual storage, and so the prices are lower as opposed to looking to one vendor who has a stranglehold monopoly on it like Google or Amazon. And so prices are better, and the security is better because instead of having one big brother hold on to all your private information, it's decentralized and redundantly stored across the blockchain, secure and safe from hack. So I don't believe Google and Amazon's financial model for cloud storage is a sustainable one, and I think that's concerning for 2019 and 2020. But it just goes to the underpinning of my general argument, which you've seen here on my channel, guys. The stock market's in a bubble. The fundamentals aren't there for the numbers that we're seeing in the Dow or the S&P or the NASDAQ, or pick your indice. And the future, the writing's on the wall. 9-year bull market has to come down, and there needs to be a significant correction, and I would argue even a depression, because frankly the US dollar that undergirds the entire system is failing. There's too much debt, there's not enough GDP growth, and the GDP numbers, seems to me the most recent GDP numbers may be misleading, and I think we're going to see a correction on those numbers, because we often do, and it'll be a correction to the down. So that's my concerns on the market. And I mean, the Dow's up today, S&P's up today, but look to some insightful voices like Mike Novogratz, who you might know is a hedge fund manager who was famous for seeing Ethereum's value when it was still priced at like $5 or $3 a token, and he bet big. I think it was like $10 million or something on Ethereum. So he's a major player in the crypto space, also in stock markets. So he says correction's coming, sell the rallies. I think that's good advice. Then there's Mark Yusko from Morgan Creek, CEO Morgan Creek, and again he says, you know, we're looking at another 10 to 15%, maybe even 40% more of correction coming on all of the major indices. So just be cautious on your investment strategies. Meanwhile, you got silver down 14 cents today. It's been stationary in the 1460 range, 1470 range for months now, and I think we've got a bottom in. So, you know, dollar cost average into some silver. Do yourself a favor, get a hedge, a real physical hedge, something that's, you know, you can hold on and store well through. Look at Bitcoin as well. Again, $6,300. You know, there's value purchases out there, but they're not in the stock market. You don't need to be looking for green candles to do well. Find the red and do yourself a favor. That's all for today, guys. Happy Halloween. Like and subscribe. Find me on Steemit at Infidel1258. Thanks. Bye.